Hello students, how are you all? So today we will study about chapter 12 of our English language book, that is simple past tense. So students, this is the second part of this chapter. So in the first video we have discussed all these exercises and what is the meaning of simple past tense and what kind of words we can use in the simple past tense. We have done this exercise also. Okay, and now we will do the another one, that is C1. Rewrite the sentences by changing the verb to a simple past tense. So students, we have to rewrite these sentences to change into simple past tense. So let's begin with the first one. We sleep at YMCA hostel in Dehradun. So first we have to change into simple past tense. Then we have to write it down. We slept. Sleep is written, then we will change it to the simple past tense. That will become slept. S-L-E-P-T. S-L-E-P-T. Slept at the YMCA hostel in Dehradun. In Dehradun. Okay students, so in this we have changed it to simple past tense. Let's do the another one. My father washes the car before going to the office. So now we will change it to the simple past tense. So my father washed, W-A-S-H-E-D, washed the car before going to the office. Okay students, so this is how you have to write it down. Now let's do the another one. Samaira goes to the market to get some nails. So now Samaira went. That is goes, it will become went. Went to the market to get some nails. N-A-I-L-S, nails. Okay students, so this is how we have to do it. Now let's do the another one, that is fourth one. Piyu and Samit play badminton at the club. So we will change play. So how we will be going to write? Piyu and Samit played. P-L-A-Y-E-D. Played badminton at the club. Badminton at the club. Okay students, so this is how you have to do it. Now 5th, 6th, you have to do it as your homework. Okay students, so 5th and 6th, do it as your homework. Okay, so now we'll do the another exercise, that is choose the correct options to complete the sentences in the past tense. So students, in this we have given the two words from which we have to form the whole sentence in the simple past tense. So let's begin. First one, her friends dashed to Poland. So we're going to write it down. Flew, F-L-E-W, flew to Poland. Okay, Then second one, my mother dash a hand printed scarf. So my mother brought a hand printed scarf. Then third one, he dash an old friend on the way to the market. He met an old friend on the way to the market. Then we have another one, my sister dash to me every week. So my sister wrote to me every week. Now here is another one, my friend dash me a surprise on my birthday. So my friend gave me a surprise on my birthday. And then sixth one, the ship dash an iceberg in the sea. So the ship struck an iceberg in the sea. Students, this is how you have to do these exercises. So now let's do the another one, that is complete this paragraph using verbs of your own choice in the simple past tense. So students, now we have to fill these paragraph with our own choice as a simple past tense. Okay, so let's begin with it. Mamu dash us all to. So Mamu took us all to Manali. Gopi dashed the parathas. So Gopi brought, that is BROUGHT. So Gopi brought the parathas. Mansi wore, WORE, wore a big boots, and I dash the music, played the music, PLAYED, played the music. Then we dash all night, we enjoyed, ENJOYED, enjoyed all night. Then we dash in Manali just as the sun dash. We reached, REACHED, reached in Manali just as the sun rose, ROSE, rose. Then it dashed like all the mountains on fire. It seemed, SEEMED, seemed like all the mountains were on fire. Okay students, so students, this is how you have to do these exercises. I hope students you have understood how we have to form the simple past tense in these exercises. So thank you class. Have a nice day.